All of the bragging in the world from you does not alter the fact that 250,000 people of families will reach out to the St Vincent de Paul for help. I'm glad your benches find this amusing and that your would-be successor is grinning like a Cheshire cat. Meanwhile, we have this exchange. I have to tell you, I don't find it funny. I don't need you to mansplain the economy to me. I don't need you to dodge and evade a simple question. I've asked you about energy credits. I have set out for you the reality that people are now fearful, that people aren't turning on their heat, that the heart is crossways on people opening their bills. That's the reality. Now, it may not land with you. I don't know what reality you live in, but I know who I represent in here. And I represent families that are struggling. I represent working people that are struggling and that are now fearful that they can't make their bills. I've asked, will you restore these energy credits? I would like a straight answer to that precise question.
Deputy, we don't need lectures from you in terms of who you represent or who we represent. Because the people on this side of the benches came from working class backgrounds and are, as deputies, they got elected because they're in touch with people and they understand the realities out there. So stop that sort of pretense. Stop the pretense that you go on with all of the time. And I want to say to you, you want to support those on very high incomes with energy credits. That's what you said. We decided not to do that. You want to give energy credits to everybody, irrespective of income. Millionaires, people on 200 grand, you want to give them an energy credit. What we have said is child support payments, the biggest increase, children over 12 getting €16 extra out of this budget, up to 78 a week. Children under 12 getting €8 increase, 58 euros a week extra. 10 euros in terms of job seekers benefit allowance, 10 euro per week in terms of state pensions and so on. And also then investment in public services, in terms of education, in terms of health, in terms of disability. Yes, we made choices. We made choices. So you had your chance. You had your chance.
Taoiseach, your time is
We've made our choices.
Thank you. Deputy Ivana Bacik.
Services for people. Services for people.
Deputy Ivana Bacik.